What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Jeenagerbiz for Jeenager Biz. So you guys, I'm going to be teaching you and showing you how to make money on your phone with WhatsApp. So get out your pen, get out your book. It's going to be a very deep section. I have my turmeric drink here. So you guys, how to make money on your phone. I'm passionate about teaching people this kind of things for the very longest time, and I decided, okay, why don't you just share with your audience here on YouTube? Okay, so a lot of you have been searching for how to make money online, how to in Nigeria, how to make money on your phone, how to make money with WhatsApp is an app. In case you don't know what WhatsApp is, are you under the rock? So WhatsApp is an app that is very quite popular, and that was bought by, let me keep this aside, that was bought by Facebook. Okay, and it is a messaging app, but apart from just being a messaging app, it is something that you can use to generate money. Like, I'm going to show you how you can make 200,000 in a month from just using your WhatsApp. Okay, so if you have not downloaded WhatsApp, what are you waiting for? Download the app right immediately. So I have done several videos on how you can make money from your phone, so do check out those other videos, okay, before you come back and watch this one. So there are different ways that you can make money on WhatsApp. Okay, first of all, you could do one-on-one consulting, one-on-one coaching. So if you have knowledge in any area, you could put out an offer and say you're using WhatsApp as the place to deploy that solution. Okay, so you could do one-on-one coaching, one-on-one consulting, and get people to pay you for it, as long as you know what it is that you're going to teach the other person. And a lot of times, a lot of people think that, oh, maybe I don't have sufficient knowledge, but the truth of the matter is you know more than somebody else. Okay, you know more than the next person. So if it could be anything, it could be how to I don't know, what, tell me in the comment section, what are you good at, what are the things that people have been asking you questions about. Okay, so think about that, put out an offer and say that I'm using WhatsApp is the place, the medium that you are going to use to deploy that solution. So one-on-one consulting, one-on-one consulting is different from coaching anyway, but you understand what I'm saying. So that's one way. The second way you can make money through WhatsApp, okay, is through doing a group coaching or a group class. So WhatsApp has a feature called groups, so you could have, I think, or you could have up to 200 people in a group. So just imagine you charge people 5,000 naira or something, and then your group, and you have 200 people in your group. You can make a lot of money doing that. So it still goes back to your knowledge, what it is that you know. So I want to start from that point. The third way you can make money on WhatsApp is to distribute your ebooks. Okay, so if you're someone who is a knowledge person and you create an ebook, I know a lot of people are usually scared that, oh, are people not going to share it, blah blah blah. You just sell your market. Okay, sell your market, and you can share the file via WhatsApp. Okay, your ebook via WhatsApp. Now I want to talk about WhatsApp status. I did like a mini course. If you are interested in it, I'm going to leave a link in the description box that you can purchase it for just for a token. Really, it's not a lot of money, and it shows you how you can use your WhatsApp status to make a lot of money. Because you know, WhatsApp status is just like Instagram stories or Snapchat, and I think it was a brilliant feature that Facebook and the developers of the app made use of. So a lot of people just, oh, this is what I'm wearing and all of that, but you don't realize that WhatsApp status, you can advertise what it is that you are selling, and there's a way to do it. There's a way you can package your information, okay, on WhatsApp status and actually get people to know what it is that you are doing. So if you're interested in knowing how to use WhatsApp status, okay, for business, for making money, I'm going to put the link in the description box so that you can purchase that product for a token. So your WhatsApp shouldn't just be for just chatting alone. It should be a money spinning material. Just think about it. If you can get 40 people to pay you 5,000 naira, that is 200,000 naira. That's a lot of money. Some bankers, some lawyers don't make that type of money, and they wake up in the morning, go to work and come back. They don't make that kind of money. So you can generate that type of money on WhatsApp. Okay, so don't just look at WhatsApp as just something to chat, to gossip, or to do all those type of things. It can be a money spinner. All right. So what else have I not mentioned? So I've mentioned ebooks. You could also use WhatsApp as a way to deploy your courses. So if you are a course creator, you created a course, and a lot of times, because a lot of people think that, oh, I have to be on this platform, this paid platform, and all of that. The truth of the excuse me, sorry, you can create a class first of all and test run it, whether people are actually interested in that knowledge that you want to share, and use WhatsApp as a platform in which you can do that. So these are some of the ways that you can leverage WhatsApp. You can make money from your phone if you are based in Nigeria, okay, and you can make use of WhatsApp as a tool to make a lot of money. I know a guy, his name is Jeenagerbiz, that is really so big on WhatsApp marketing and all of that, and he has made a lot of money. In fact, he says that his WhatsApp status is like a television, and he gets people because he gives out his number, his WhatsApp number. So there are a lot of people, because just think about it. Most times I post something on my WhatsApp status and you see 100 people, 150 people. People like to do amebo. People like to know what is going on in your life. So you can monetize that, okay? Monetize people's amebo. I have a little cousin that sells soaps and all those kind of things. She has like a skincare brand, and because before I started doing YouTube, I'm very excited about the possibility of doing business on Instagram. Instagram is a money spinner. Probably I'll do another video some other time. So I'm always like, oh, why are you not on Instagram? Why are you not leveraging Instagram for your business and all of that? And she'll be like, no, I make more money on WhatsApp. Like, I sell on WhatsApp. So, and I know that she makes a lot of money from just selling on WhatsApp. So if you have a product based business, don't just hide it somewhere and be thinking that the world has evolved, the world has changed. So if you are selling anything, put it on your WhatsApp status. Let people know that this is what you are selling, and yes, sell your market. This generation that we are in is not the place that you keep quiet and you think that market will come and meet you at home. No, you have to loud your own trumpet. You have to make people know what it is that you are doing. So if you have any questions about making money on your phone from WhatsApp, ask me in the comment section and I would answer your question. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, because some people say, oh, I did not know when you put out new content. So that bell, that little bell that is there, hit it so that anytime I put out new content, you will know. So if you want to purchase my WhatsApp status course, how you can make money from your WhatsApp status, check the link, the description box. Okay, there's a link there. It's pay stack. You can just pay. Okay, if you are not based in Nigeria, you can use the link there and make payments. If you are based in Nigeria, just so if you are not making money on WhatsApp, are you under the rock? Why are you not making money on WhatsApp? I don't understand.